And there you go. Last trips. We're done with this. I got those tires. I got that little branch. It's too big for me to move. And I got those chairs. And I'm sick of this woman, Alina, hanging around, harassing me all the time. I want to know why when somebody gets arrested, why they don't stay arrested. Because she was arrested this morning, and now she's back over here, running off with the keys. And my cell phone. I put my seatbelt on. And I'm tired. I'm done for the day. I did all of this work, the majority of it by myself. And I'm tired. With all of my health issues, I did it. And I'm proud of myself. These branches, that chair, and those tires. And that's it. I'm done. I'm exhausted and I'm sunburned. I'm getting a rash from the dirt. It's time to rest and get something cold to drink.